pagbabago. Now inside, joining in Black Magic Woman. Set to go. Race number 7. There are. And racing, Sangkosan, Black Magic Woman running on the outside, John 2 in between runners. Pagbabago comes next, moving up Battle Warrior Baby as they race towards the half mile. Sangkosan leading the field by 3/4 of a length. Warrior Baby in second, John 2, Black Magic Woman moving up on the outside. Pagbabago racing in peep, then followed by Umbrella Girl as they rounded the 600. 2 runners keep on fighting out for the lead. Sangkosan at the center running Battle Warrior Baby, Black Magic Woman moving up on the outside. Sangkosan is still leading the field. Black Magic Woman moving up on the outside. John 2 in between runners, but Sangkosan leading the field by a length and a half. John 2 running Battle, Black Magic Woman on the outside. Sangkosan, this time by 3/4 of a length over John 2, and finally Sangkosan, John 2, Black Magic Woman, pagbabago. Sharp return, then comes beautiful Chloe.